If you're still staring at a blank Google Doc trying to figure out how to build a lead magnet from scratch, stop. There's a one-line prompt that will help you write your entire lead magnet in 10 minutes flat. No funnel, no designer, no budget. And yeah, it works even if you think you're not a writer. This single prompt flipped everything for me. It's like hiring a full content marketing team without paying a cent or dealing with weird folder hierarchies. And I'm going to show it to you in just a moment. But first, you got to understand why this works and why you're wasting hours without it. Back when I was bootstrapping my business from zero, I believed I needed to design a fancy PDF, learn Canva, and read 3 books on lead magnets before I even launched. Turns out that was the slow lane. A 6 month detour into overwhelm. Then I tried leveraging AI instead of just playing with it. So I opened ChatGPT, typed in one sentence, and what came back was a clean, solid, ready to roll lead magnet outline. I wasn't starting from scratch, I was starting from speed. And you know what? I didn't need to spend a single dollar. Here's the exact prompt I started with. Create a simple lead magnet outline for your niche that solves specific problem in one page. That's it. You replace your niche with what you actually help people with. And specific problem with the one thing you know your people are stuck on. No fluff, no guessing. Now watch what happens. Let's say you're in the fitness space and your audience is busy moms trying to get their energy back. Your prompt becomes create a simple lead magnet outline for postpartum fitness that solves low energy levels in one page. What do you think AI gives you back? Boom! It spits out an actual structure, a compelling title, section breakdowns, bullet points. You didn't stare at a blank screen, you were sprinting from the start. And here's the part most people miss. This isn't about writing an ebook. You're not trying to impress with length, you're solving a problem fast. One page, one solution. That's what makes people want to join your list. They don't want a library, they want relief. Now, once you've got that outline, tweak it with your personality. You don't need to sound professional. You just need to sound like someone real. Scan it, add your slang, your sass, your flavor. Done. You've got your first lead magnet ready to pull opt ins without touching your wallet. So, what's next? You take that content and plug it into a simple free platform. MailerLite, ConvertKit, Beehive, doesn't matter. Pick one and stick with it. The tools aren't magic. The prompt is. See, the real power here isn't just speed, it's momentum. You go from stock to setup in one afternoon. Most new creators spend weeks just choosing a logo. You've got a working funnel running by tonight. And let's break this belief right now. This is too basic. Wrong. Basic is beautiful when it works. Your job isn't to make a 45-page white paper, it's to make someone say, damn, this solved the exact thing I was wrestling with. And they'll join your list to get more. You created trust with speed. That's what builds lists that actually convert. And I know what some of you are thinking, but AI doesn't sound like me. It doesn't have to, because you'll massage the copy. You're not outsourcing your voice, you're outsourcing the bricks so you can just furnish the house. The problem isn't that AI writes weird, it's that people expect perfection out of a robot. Newsflash, perfection kills progress. You want quick, nimble, and done. AI delivers 8% in 8 seconds, you do the last 20%. That's how you win. Want to make your opt in page headlines next? Feed the same tool this. Give me 5 opt in page headlines for a lead magnet about topic that helps audience fix problem. It'll throw ideas back at you. Choose your top 2, test them. Which one gets more clicks? That's your winner. Trash the rest. You're done before the caffeine wears off. And if you want to keep building from here, use ChatGPT to write your welcome emails too. Write a 3 email welcome sequence for a new subscriber who just downloaded your lead magnet title and wants to solve problem. Easy. Tweak it, send it. Boom. Your email funnel now runs while you sleep. You didn't need Zapier. You didn't need ConvertKit Pro. You didn't even need to know what open rate means. You just needed one damn sentence and the will to press enter. So let's zoom out. Why does this matter? Because most people spend their energy fixing tools, not building their audience. They're caught up in font choices, branding schemes, and inbox foldering strategies. You're launching something real. You're building momentum from day one. When I wrote about this inside my book, I called it foundational leverage. You start with something free, you spin it up fast, you remove the thinking traps that slow most people down. And the results? Speed, subscribers, confidence, a platform that builds while you sleep. You're not another content creator shouting into the void. You're building a machine that quietly grows your audience every single day without you touching it. And the best part? You didn't spend a dime. All this came from one prompt. And there's more where that came from. If you want even more ridiculously fast, zero budget tactics like this, stuff that gets you to I have a funnel and actual subscribers in just 30 days, then you've got to check out the link in the description. That's where you'll find my latest book, AI List Launch. Inside, I'll show you how to build an entire AI powered growth system from scratch. No ads, no fluff, and no spending spree. Just real actionable momentum. So click that link now, grab the book, and let's get you building. If videos like this light you up, subscribe for more.